Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Welcome to the video session of Cantab Publisher, the leaders of One Curriculum, One Nation. The resources you need for this lecture is English textbook, English workbook, English summer pack, and the resource pack for the teachers and the students. Today we are going to continue with Unit 2. The name of the unit is Our Hero. We are done with lecture number 1. And now today we're going to talk about lecture number 2, which says identify and change the number of simple naming words by adding S and ES. That means the topic is about singular and plural. This concept we have already done in grade 1. If you like, you can search on the website and look at the lecture from grade 1 as well. Otherwise, we're going to repeat the same concept once again. Before we continue with the lecture, let's have a recap for singular and plural. Singular means single, one. Plural means more than one. Let's talk about an example. One apple is written as apple, but when we have more than one apple, we write apples. We add this S to show that the apples are more than one. Rules of plural nouns. Most nouns add S to form plural. Nouns that end with sh, ch, x, z or s add S. There are some more rules also, but we are just going to focus mostly on S and ES. As per the SLO, S and ES. So now let's look at the textbook page number 12, 13, question number 3 and 4, workbook page number 9, question number 1, part 3 and 4, and summer pack page number 11 and 12, question number 1, part 3, 4, 5, and the activity. Our lesson will start from textbook pages 12 and 13, question number 3 and question number 4, and this is our class task. So kindly open your book on page number 12 and 13. As you can see in front of you, the part of page number 12 which we are going to attempt in the class is in front of you. With the help of your pencil, please write classwork in front of question number 3. Once you're done, let's move on to the words which are written inside the boxes, and we will write the answer with our pencils in the provided spaces. What is the first word? Box. And box will become boxes. Bench. Benches. Branch. Branches. Let's do it again. Box. Boxes. Bench. Benches. Branch. Branches. Once you're done, on page number 12, you need to move on to page number 13 because the rest of the words are mentioned here on top of page number 13. Watch, watches, Potato, potatoes. Mango, mangoes. Glass, glasses. If you like, you can pause the video and complete the task. I'll do it again. Watch, watches. Potato, potatoes. Mango, mangoes. Glass, glasses. Question number 4 is also your classwork. As I mentioned earlier, question number 4 is different. It says, arrange the following words into second alphabetical order. Second alphabetical order means that you have to look at the first 2 letters and arrange them with the second letter. I'm going to read out loud the words which are here. Crow, water, monkey, winter, queen, forest, children, animal, people. Please do focus on the pronunciation of each word. I'm going to read them again. Arrange the following words into second alphabetical order. You need to look at the first 2 letters and then you will arrange them as per the second alphabet. Crow, water, monkey, winter, queen, forest, children, animal, people. I hope you do remember your alphabets. So you will be looking at both the alphabets. If the first alphabet is A, for example, then you need to look at the second alphabet and then arrange it accordingly. So let's try to arrange these words in the second order alphabet. The first one is animal, children, crow, forest, monkey, people, queen, water, and winter. You can arrange them in numbers like this in the book. I repeat, there are 9 words. You have to arrange them through the second alphabetical order. And if you look at the screen, I have numbered each word starting from number 1. The first one is animal, second children, third crow, fourth forest, fifth monkey, sixth people, seventh queen, eighth water, and ninth is winter. Now it's time to practice on the workbook, page number 9, question 1, and this is also your practice class task. As you can see the SLO on the screen, we're only going to do part 3 and 4 from the workbook. So please circle part 3 and 4 and write classwork for lecture 2, classwork for lecture 2 in front of both with your pencil. Now I'm going to read out loud each sentence. The plural naming word for ash is option A, ashes with an I, option B, ashes with an ES. The plural naming word for ash is option B, ashes with an ES. The singular naming word for tomatoes is it the same, tomatoes? None or tomato? The option is A, tomato. Once you're done, please open your summer pack to mark your home task on it. The pages you need in front of you is page 10 and 11. This is page number 10 and this is page number 11. Please circle question number 3, 4 and 5 on page number 10 as your home task for lecture 2. And this activity you're going to practice at home and you will do it all by yourself. Take all the things out of your school bag and start counting them. Write singular things under the heading of singular and plural things under the heading of plural. I hope you have recalled the concept of singular and plural and you will try to attempt the activity all by yourself. Please feel proud when you're done with your home task. So let's have a quick recap for today's lecture. What are singular or plural naming words? Naming words are called nouns. The name of a person, animal, place, feelings and object thing is called noun. More than one naming words are written with S and ES. If the word ends in Y, there is a consonant before it. So you have to cross out the Y and then write jellies. If the word ends in Y and there is a vowel before it, add S, toys. This is the recap for today's lesson. Thank you very much. I hope we have learned together. It was nice to be with you. See you soon. Take care and don't forget to do your homework. Allah Hafiz.